Marital affairs carry profound psychological consequences that can severely damage both individuals and relationships. For the unfaithful partner, the initial thrill or escape often gives way to intense guilt, shame, and anxiety. The fear of exposure fuels constant emotional stress, leading to a heightened state of paranoia. This cognitive dissonance between their actions and values causes internal conflict, often resulting in self-loathing, depression, and even emotional numbness over time. For the betrayed partner, the discovery of an affair can cause deep emotional trauma. Trust is shattered, creating feelings of betrayal, worthlessness, and inadequacy. Psychologically, this can lead to depression, anxiety, and a loss of self-esteem. Many experience symptoms similar to PTSD, such as intrusive thoughts, flashbacks, and hypervigilance. The erosion of trust fosters an ongoing sense of insecurity, which can extend beyond the relationship and affect future interactions with others. The emotional fallout from marital affairs often leads to long-term relationship dysfunction. Communication breaks down as partners struggle to reconcile the betrayal. Arguments escalate, and intimacy becomes a battleground. The unfaithful partner may become defensive or distant, further alienating the betrayed partner. The emotional distance grows, creating a cycle of resentment and emotional withdrawal. The psychological effects also impact children if they are present. Children who witness infidelity or sense the tension between their parents often experience feelings of insecurity, guilt, or confusion. They may struggle with their own interpersonal relationships as they internalize unhealthy patterns of behavior. This can manifest in trust issues, difficulty forming intimate relationships, or a fear of commitment later in life. In cases where affairs lead to separation or divorce, both partners may experience prolonged emotional suffering. Divorce itself is a highly stressful event, but when compounded with the betrayal of an affair, it can lead to long-lasting psychological scars. Feelings of rejection, anger, and failure can linger for years. Both partners may struggle with depression, anxiety, and difficulty forming future relationships. Marital affairs also have broader social consequences. Friends and family are often drawn into the conflict, forced to take sides or provide emotional support. This can strain relationships outside the marriage, leading to isolation and social withdrawal for one or both partners. If you learn something new about how psychology affects our daily lives, then consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss the next episode. Until next time, stay sharp.